Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage, how to turn off message requests on LinkedIn. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. LinkedIn is a professional social media platform unlike Facebook or Instagram. It's specially created for professionals to connect, foster business opportunities, and help you achieve your career goals. At the most basic level, LinkedIn is your online professional portfolio, a platform to showcase your skills, experience, and accomplishment. But as you spend more time on the platform, you'll understand that it is way more advanced and larger than just an online resume. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create your LinkedIn account, how to set up your account. But now, what if you want to turn off the message requests on your LinkedIn for some reason? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our LinkedIn app. You can log into your account. After that, you can go to the settings by tap on the up left corner here, your profile. Now I can tap on settings. You can go to the data and privacy. You can just scroll down and you can see on who can reach you section there is an option messages. You can just tap on that and you'll find there is an option message request. By default, your message request is on. But if you want to turn this off, you can just tap on the toggle in here like this. So now you have turn off, you have disabled your message request, so you will not get any message requests from anyone on LinkedIn. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off, how to disable message requests on LinkedIn. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.